For your introduction, Major General Lindsay. Sir, it is my honour and privilege once again to hand over the scroll confirming that the Royal Regiment of Scotland has received the freedom of Argyll and Bute. We would be delighted if you could say a few words on behalf of the regiment. Thank you. Thank you.
Lord Lieutenant, Provost, Armed Forces Champion, councillors, friends, it's a great honour to be with you here today to receive the freedom of Argyll and Bute. Military service has been a golden thread throughout Argyll and Bute's history, and it's both comforting and equally inspiring to see such support for the military today. Support for their families, for the cadet forces, for veterans associations, who in their own way continue to contribute to, cherish and honour the deep-rooted service that Argyll and Bute has provided to Scotland. I note that Lorne MacLean Campbell, one of Scotland's most courageous soldiers, was born in Aids, just a few miles south of here. He was awarded not only the Victoria Cross, Britain's highest award for gallantry, but he was also awarded the Distinguished Service Medal for exemplary leadership in combat, not once, but twice. And if that was not enough, he was also mentioned in dispatches for particularly gallant service on another 4 occasions. And ladies and gentlemen, it's on individuals such as these that the Argyll and Southern Highlanders and our other antecedent regiments were formed. In the Royal Regiment of Scotland, we carry their heritage with us, not as ashes, but as flames. The Royal Regiment of Scotland was formed in 2006. So as we approach our 20th anniversary, we remain a relatively new regiment, founded on the excellent service of our forebears and forged in the demanding environments of service in Iraq, Afghanistan and other operations globally. But it's from our people we draw our strength, people such as the soldiers in front of you. And one of the key sources that our people draw our strength from, that bolsters their resolve and enhances their resilience, is the support of the communities they come from. So today is indeed very important for us, as your support is indeed our strength. Provost, thank you very much from all of us in the regiment, and may I present you with a small token of our esteem and friendship and thanks.
General salute. Present arms.